This video is about gay shit.
Established a headquarters from which to fight crime.
Oh, in the future they call it a hall of...
Gay?
I like that.
This gay.
Know that you're gay, you wanna suck. You say that you're straight, but we know that you're not.
Have a nice day. Cara Danvers is...
Gay.
Come with me if you want to live.
What the fuck?
Wait a minute. Who are you?
The name's Lex Luthor.
That's a weird name.
No weirder than Toy Man.
I'm fine.
Why the fuck you lying?
Really, I think it's good Brittany and I broke up.
Why you always lying?
Right. I'm being honest.
Stop fucking lying.
I'm like so gay, dude.
I'm a grown woman.
I think you're 14 and you're an idiot.
Who is this cute little lesbian?
Let's tell each other a secret about ourselves. I'm gonna go first. I hate you.
And this has been a delight.
Guess who's back again.
What's up, buddy?
Brandon, I missed you.
Cool.
When I see a guy who has a handsome face and pretty eyes and a rock-hard chest,
Let's give the best hugs, Papa Bear.
fuck it. I'm so gay.
Miss me with that gay shit, nigga. Fuck out of here. Fuck you mean. Fuck boy.
Lex Luthor, the hero?
I want fabulous. That is my simple request.
He's not a hero.
Every traffic camera in that.
So I was thinking maybe we could be more than just friends. You mean like best friends? No, you know, more than that. You mean like a mega best friends? Hold up. I think we could be something more than just good friends.
To new friend.
But she's got me beat. Caught up in the friend, caught up in the friend zone.
Your parents like knew that you were gonna grow up to be a lesbian, giving you a boy name.
I'm not a lesbian.
Oh, you just wear so much eyeliner.
No, I'm totally kidding. I love lady parts.
Oh my god.
Bro, I had a dream we fucked. Bro, it's just a dream. Gay, I wouldn't fuck you. You wouldn't? I mean, unless you want to.
Oh, Lena, I wanted to.
She's already my bitch.
It's you and me again, okay? You jump, I jump.
Gay, 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 gay.
As a lesbian, I support her.
But first, let me take a selfie.
I think I'm gay.
Dude, everyone already knows that.
I hurt Nia. All I want is to be close with her again, but I have to be cold.
Don't do it, man. I swear to God I'm gonna do it, dude. I don't know how I'll live if you do it. I'm doing it.
Did somebody say boom?
Now think of what you want.
He looks like sex, 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 sex.
Oh my gosh.
Oh shoot, now I'm gay.
Got it with the whiz.